In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add due dates in Trello. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add start dates, due dates, and reminders so your tasks stay on track without any guesswork. Start by opening the Trello board where your task lives. Boards hold your lists and cards, so make sure you're in the right place for the project you're managing. If you have lots of boards, the search bar at the top can help you find it quickly. Next, click the specific card to open its details. This brings up the card's back view, where you'll see everything related to that task. On the right-hand side, you'll find a panel with options. Look for dates. If you don't see it there, no problem. Click the plus icon just under the card title to add a feature, then choose dates. Both routes open the same scheduling window. In the dates window, pick your start date and your due date from the calendar. The start date tells you when work should begin, which helps with planning and coordination, while the due date marks the deadline. If you only need a deadline, you can set just the due date. As you select, keep time zones in mind if your team is distributed. The time you choose will follow the board's settings and your personal notification preferences. Below the dates, set an optional time for when the task is due. Adding a time makes the deadline precise, great for handoffs, launches, or meeting deliverables. You can also choose a reminder, like one day before. Reminders send you a nudge at the right moment, and depending on your settings, they can show up as Trello notifications and possibly email alerts. Pick the reminder that gives you enough lead time to act without feeling rushed. When everything looks right, click Save. You'll see a due date badge appear on the card, and as the deadline approaches, Trello may change its color to signal urgency. If you added a start date, that will display as well, giving you a clear window for when the work should be in progress. This visual cue is especially helpful when you're scanning a busy board. If plans change, because they often do, you can always come back to the same dates option on the card and adjust the dates, time, or reminder. It's quick, flexible, and keeps your task list accurate. That's it. Open your board, open the card, choose dates, set your start and due dates. Pick a time and reminder if you want, and click Save. With those simple actions, your Trello tasks will stay organized, visible, and on schedule.